now folks, Nether Hall Wild Camping, can't wait for this. Got a little thing of a site over here and everything like that. And well, we'll see how we get on. Peace! We're going to product test the Vango Taiga 600 XL. Apparently it's a blow up tent, so might not take as long as some of my previous camps.
Hey Fox, it's time to get this tent up. There you go.
I've crossed deserts for miles, swam water for time, searching places to find a piece of something to call mine. A piece of something to call mine. Coming closer to you. Went along many moors, walked through many doors. The place where I wanna be is the place I can call mine. Is the place I can call mine. Coming closer. I'm moving, I'm coming. Can you hear what I hear? It's calling you, my dear. Out of reach.
Heading down to the beach to do a bit of fishing. Joined here with our lovely friends.
I'm coming out, drowning, swimming closer to you. Never been here before. I'm intrigued, I'm unsure. I'm searching for more. I've got something that's all mine. I've got something that's all mine. Take me somewhere I can breathe. I've got so much to see. This is where I wanna be. In a place I can call mine. In a place I can call mine. I'm moving, I'm coming. Can you hear what I hear? It's calling you, my dear. Out of reach, take me to my knee. I can hear it calling you. I'm coming out, drowning, swimming closer to you. Moving, calling. Can you hear what I hear?
Absolutely loads of room in here. A couple of bedrooms. Tons of room. Slept really well. Perfect. Just show you the porch. The porchy area. Surprising how rigid all of these beams are. Perfect tent for a family. Well, that's it, folks. So had a really good time, whether you're camping in a tent or one of these luxurious shepherd's huts. It's been converted, it's got a log burner in it and everything, nice beds and everything like that, so highly recommend it. And you don't really get much better views in there, I keep saying it, but the beach is literally just down there, stone's throw away. All the amenities on site, fire pits, everything like that, benches, and they even supply your wood and everything like that, so highly recommend. It's a lovely spot. I've got to say, and it's right on the peninsula, right where we have this lovely, lovely scenery. I mean, it's fantastic. Anyway, that's it. Leave no traces of ways. Peace.